मेरी तो एंट्री नहीं हुई है।
Happiest birthday, Sai. Love you. Miss you, Bebo, my Saidi. We are best friends. And I know you very deeply and very purely. So, as far as I know, you are a very great person, a very great personality. You are a star which shines always. And you wherever you go, you spread happiness and that's so awesome. You are good in every field. You are a perfect person and I am so grateful to have you in my life, and we both are lucky to have each other because we understand each other like no one can understand us, like no one can understand our bond, which is too special. So I have many things to say, but literally I don't have any words to say. Sai, I have really very sweet memories with you, and that memories reminds me so much like wow. So happy birthday, enjoy your day, I'm missing you.
Happy birthday, Sai. Many, many happy returns of the day. Wish you all the happiness in the life. God bless you, beta. And I love the way you always smile and be like that all your life. Be that innocence you have. And I love your intelligence and the way you give answers in the class. And with your smile, you make the class so lively and so energetic. Always be like that. God bless you, beta. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Sai.
Happy birthday, Sai.
Sai, you're very beautiful, and I love your love for Shatej. And I have been seeing your creative artwork. Amazingly, you are growing in your creative artwork, and best part of yours is your sincerity. Love you, Sai. Have a wonderful day.
Hi, Sai. I love the way you keep yourself busy with all the cooking and stitching and pasting and a lot of other stuff. And let's missing you. Love you. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Sai. Sai, the best thing about you is that you are very artistic towards your work and you give your 100% in everything. And so, like, whatever you have, you will make the best out of it. And you are a very kind person, calm person. Sometimes you become cranky, but then I like that face of yours. You have a very beautiful smile. Hoping to see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sai. Happy birthday to you. Sai, you're such a lovely artist. I saw how you created your boredom to creativity, and you're always a soft girl. I love your rapport and love for mama and papa. You are growing so beautifully, and you are blessed to have such a beautiful mummy and daddy, and of course they are blessed to have such a beautiful Sai in their life. Love you, Sai. Wish you a wonderful birthday, week, month, year, and life. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sai. I love to spend time with you and crack faltu jokes with you. And the best thing that I like about you is whenever I meet you, you are with a different energy and you make everybody vibrate in that energy. And this is the most best thing that I like about you. And stay happy and be blessed. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Parya. Lots and lots of love. लवकर मोठी हो, सुपर मॉडेल बन. आय सपोर्ट यू. अजून कमी ओरड. And love you. Keep growing. Be happy. Yeah. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sai. I hope that even though you're at home, your day is filled with laughter and happiness and cake and sweets and everything, and filled with love as well. And even though I've known you for very short notice, a very short time, yes, you're still a very good. You're a very good friend and a very good yeah, you're a very good friend and very good company as well. You're very smart and everything.
Hello, Jai Gurudev. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Sai. So I don't know, this may be your 12th or 13th birthday. So uh, I'm wishing you lots of happy birthday to you. You know, I when I first came to Gurukulam, when I first saw you, I saw you in 2014, I think. At that time, you were in 4th standard, probably 4th standard or 2nd standard, maybe. So you always used to speak. You used to say, "Mama, Mama, you know, Aina, Anna, Wana." So and your mama used to say, "Hmm, hmm, hmm, hmm." So at that time, I used to, oh, this girl, she goes on speaking so much. But now, when I came in 2018, you were so silent, not speaking anything. You have changed. And now, when I see you in 8th standard, you are totally changed. I really enjoyed when I was there in your home, okay, with you, with Mama, Papa, everybody. But today, it is about you. So, I'm seeing you every day. You are growing and you are enjoying the moment. You are learning a lot, okay, and now you are opening up also. You are telling, I really liked that day when you in the class, when I came for the meeting and you told that we have this problem with science, and you also told me KK before also I told and you have forgotten. So I felt so happy that you are now opening up and telling everything, okay. So Sai, keep growing and with your age also, and with your thoughts also, and with your openness also. We all want to see you to be much more open and participating and doing everything 100%. Okay. So wish you many happy returns of the day once again, and happy birthday, Sai. Okay, thank you.
The things and again play with us or come with us, and thank you. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sai. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Is it a cake?
Cut the
The
cake.
cake for you. Look at the cake.
Okay.
Yay! Woo! Yay!
Okay.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Pari.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yum, 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 yum. Happy birthday to you, Pari. We love you.
Straw flying is there.
Flying is what?
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Bye. You have a great day. We miss you all. Bye.
Thanks for my
Many happy returns of the day, Sai. You are a very good friend to me. Like when I was in Gurukul, you were a very good sister to me. I loved your company. It was always fun teasing you. Then तेरे को परेशान करने में बहुत मजा आता था. जेव्हा मी असं फ्री असायचो की केव्हा असं काही फ्री टाइम भेटायचा तर मला मनात एकच गोष्ट यायची, चला सईला परेशान करू म्हणून आणि परत तू असं देन यू हॅव बिकम मॅच्युअर ऑल्सो. यू नो वेन टू डू मस्ती अँड वेन टू स्टडी. यू आर व्हेरी चार्मिंग, क्यूट. कीप स्माइलिंग. हॅपी बर्थडे.
Hi, Sai. Nowadays, whenever I see you, I see a junior Sonal in you. I'm amazed to see the balance between childlike innocence and maturity in you. coupled with a beautiful smile. Keep growing, keep smiling. Wish you all the happiness and all the success in your future. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Sai. It's been an amazing year with you. It's almost 2 years, I think. मतलब कुछ months और ठीक है ना, कुछ months और बहुत अमेजिंग ईयर था. स्पेशली सई को नाम दिया ना ऐसे सई, तो फिर 4 चीज़ें डेफिनेटली याद आती है. पहले तो तू कितना मैड मैक्स बोलती थी. आई मीन बहुत बोलती थी तू मैड मैक्स. मेरे को बार वैसे सही सही बोलना रहता था. तू बोलती थी हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. और सेकंड थिंग इज़ कि अपन दोनों के पास सेम पैंट थी. उससे मतलब हर बार परिमिस्त्री को पैंट चाहिए रहती थी मेरे से, पर मैंने कभी नहीं दी उसको पैंट. हो हमेशा बोलती थी नेक्स्ट टाइम दूंगी, अभी भी लॉन्ड्री में है, नेक्स्ट टाइम दूंगी. अभी तक उसको दी नहीं है, पर इट्स अ लॉट फन विद यू बोलने का उसको नहीं नेक्स्ट टाइम नेक्स्ट टाइम. और जैसे कि तू हमेशा मेरे को नोट्स में हेल्प करती है. थर्ड थिंग इज़ नोट्स. तो हमेशा मेरे को देती है, कभी भी ज़रूरत पड़े तो हमेशा रहती है मेरे साथ. और अभी फोर्थ थिंग रिसेंट है, पर फिर भी इट्स लॉट फन. डिसेंडेंट्स, मतलब हम दोनों को डिसेंडेंट्स का क्रेज़ है. ऐसा मैल का ये, मैल का वो, मैल को ये पसंद है, मैल को वो पसंद है. उसका ड्रेस का फिटिंग ऐसा रहना चाहिए था, उसके ग्लव्स का ये था वो था. इट्स लॉट ऑफ फन. मतलब हम दोनों इसके बारे में 24/7 बात कर सकते हैं. इट्स लॉट फन मैन विद यू. आई रियली इन्जॉय. और मेरे फर्स्ट ईयर में तूने हमेशा मेरे साथ रही है तू. और स्पेशली जब भी ऐसा बडीज़ बनने को बोलते थे ना कि गुरुकुल के बाहर जा रहे हो कहीं, तो फिर 2-2 का ग्रुप फॉर्म करो, बडीज़ बनाओ. तो फिर हमेशा अगर अपने क्लास से देखा जाए तो तू और मैं, लड़कियों में तू और मैं, और आशी और निशी. निशी यूज्ड टू हेट बीइंग विद आशी, बट स्टिल शी डिडंट हैड एनी ऑप्शन. पर तेरे साथ रहने में मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता था. और मतलब अगर मेरे से कुछ गलत हो भी गया ना, तो आई थिंक दैट हाँ सही रहेगी मेरे साथ. मतलब वो हेल्प करेगी मेरे को अभी क्या करने का, इसको ठीक कैसे करने का. और जब भी किसी का भी बर्थडे आता था ना, तू और आशी ने नहीं आना तो तू रहती थी हमारे साथ करने के लिए. और यू ऑलवेज स्पॉन्टेनियस टू डू एवरीथिंग, एंड आई लव बीइंग विद यू. स्पेशली जब हम लोग आर्ट क्लास में रहते थे, तूने कितनी सारी ज्वेलरीज बनाई है. कितना वो देख के इतना अच्छा लगता है. और तू जो भी बनाती है ना, वो बहुत मस्त दिखता है. एकदम बहुत मस्त रहता है वो. और तेरे ही सबसे पहले जाते हैं, तो बहुत मज़ा आता है तेरे साथ. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
Good evening, Sai darling. Many happy returns of the day to you. You are such a sweet, गुड गर्ल, यू नो. तुझे देखकर लगता ही नहीं है कि तू लाइक आई सॉ यू व्हेन यू वर इन 6th. एक बार भी मुझे नहीं लगा कि तू 6th में है. मुझे लगा तू 3rd में है. फिर जब तू 7th में है तो मुझे लगा तू 4th में है. अभी तो 8th में है तो मुझे लगता है तू 5th में है. तो तेरा ना मतलब बॉडी तो बड़ी हो रही है, तेरा दिमाग भी बढ़ रहा होगा, बट तेरे अंदर का जो चाइल्ड है ना, वो अभी भी मतलब लाइक 2 साल लैगिंग चालू है. And which is a very sweet thing, cutest thing and best thing to be. Okay, say? So always just be yourself. Always be in your element. Those are my best wishes, and that is my blessing for you. That you will always remain the way you are. Always in her element. Say, love you, darling. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sai. You are really beautiful, and I love to spend time with you. You're very creative and you've grown amazingly. You're a very friendly person. You're very cute, and I really miss you. Love you.
Hi Sai, many happy returns of the day. You are very loving, caring, sharing, very wonderful being, and the way you are following the path, a footprint of your parents. That is something physical, and you have many qualities. You have great flexibility. You are great artist, musician, and just keep going and keep exploring the way you want. And again, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sai. Kashi is. Sai, I just love the way you are. You are an amazing person. You have a beautiful soul. You're full of joy, and you're always ready to help. You're always ready to share your knowledge, which is amazing. I love.
Hi, Sai. Many, many, many happy returns of the day, sweetheart. I just love the way your creativity flows in everything you do. I love your smiles, your giggles, and your shyness. I really love the way, you have all this different creative things in you, may it be dancing, music, or art, your intricacies in, those jewelry making and things. It's just so beautiful. I've always enjoyed having you in my class, learned from you so much, loved the interactions we have had, loved the way you come sincerely to ask me about wearing certain clothes in the Gurukulam. I just love you very much, and I really miss you. I really miss you in my classes, and wishing you lots and lots of love, lots of blessings. Keep succeeding, keep growing beautifully, keep doing lovely things in your life, keep smiling, keep dancing, keep making lovely creative stuff in your life. Enjoy your day. Have a lovely, lovely, wonderful year too. Love you, beta. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Sai! Sai, you are a great sister. You are very kind, and especially I love to spend time with you. You know, the stories you tell me about Gurukul and the fun we have together, and the amount of fun we have together. Just so fun with you guys, you and I love you a lot.
Happy birthday, Sai. What I love about you the most is no matter what you are doing, the enthusiasm you do it with is amazing. You don't care about the people around you, whatever they think. You do what you always want to do. The way you tell your stories, the way you have your enthusiasm, the way you express yourself is the most favorite part. Is my most favorite part of you. Okay, and keep in mind that we will never stop troubling you because of that.
And I love it.
Okay, I love it a lot when you cry. Please keep crying for us, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sai. I love you a lot, and you are an awesome friend to me. You're very energetic, jolly, and friendly all the time. You have supported me a lot in each and everything, especially whenever I used to feel sad, you used to come to me and used to make me laugh. And I really love you and miss you a lot. And stay blessed, stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy your day, Sai.
Happy birthday, Sai. You are really, really super cute, innocent, and bubbly girl. I really love the way you share your bond with your classmates, and I love to do masti with you. I still remember that 1 year which we spent together in social class, and I always was trying to understand you, that and you were always silently you were doing your work, and you're very expressive. So wherever you feel that if you want to convey any message, you're very, very clear in that, and that's beautiful quality. Beyond this, one more thing is that you are really, creative in arts, like your mama. I think more than your mama, definitely you're going to be like that, because I know your mama, she is super, super creative, and you're going to be more than that. So just bless you for your beautiful, beautiful birthday. May God bless you with abundance of happiness and love. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
मेरी तो एंट्री नहीं हुई है।